Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to backtest on TradeZella. First, log into your TradeZella account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click on the backtesting section. Here you will see the option to create a new session. Click on Create New Session to begin. Now you need to fill in the details. Give your session a name so you can recognize it later. You can also add a short description if you want. Then choose the asset type you want to trade, like Forex, stocks, or crypto. Next, define your parameters. Select the specific instrument you want to test. After that, set your initial balance. This is the amount you want to simulate trading with. Then choose your date range so you can test your strategy on past market data. Once you finish this setup, you will land on the chart screen. At the top menu, you can select your time frame. You can choose from options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, daily, or even monthly charts depending on your strategy. Now look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a slider. This is the speed control. You can adjust how fast or slow the market moves during your backtest. Next to it, there is a play button. Click on it to start your backtesting session. As the chart moves, you can begin placing trades. Use the quick buy or sell buttons, or use the long and short tools to enter positions. Set your stop loss and take profit just like you would in real trading. This is how you practice and improve without risking real money. Thanks for watching.